Okay, let's see how we go. This will be an interesting one if we can make this turn up a treat. Funny, when I press that button the machine starts to whir. It's quite a funny kind of thing, and it's very familiar. Oh dear, the industry, photocopiers, whatever, they're funny. They are funny, even though the people in the industry who run it are fucking assholes. But then that's probably why these machines make these funny noises and do all this funny shit, is because the assholes that work who run the industry. Dickheads. Got no respect. No way would I respect something that doesn't. Whatever. It's funny. You got to laugh. You got to somehow laugh at this bullshit that the industry's putting on. Got to laugh at them like they're a fucking bunch of village idiots. Oh dear. Oh, Konica. Deep breath, folks. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, what have we got here? We've got another Friggy, another Sydney, Australia Friggy. Unfortunately, there's sticky tape on the back that was meant to hold it to the product label, which keeps. I've got two of them in this set. So that's a nice looking fridge magnet. I just wish that they didn't have that double-sided tape at the back. It's really difficult to take off. It's going to stick to the fridge even harder now because of this double-sided tape. So let's see how this looks. So we're now going to make movement demos out of these, because it gets a bit boring having everything that isn't moving with these. It gets a bit boring like anything. So let's see how this silly machine goes. I'm printing this out. Or copying it, rather. Okay, let's see how that looks. Whoa, that looks quite nice. Yeah, that looks good. I think it's a good one. We just have to work on it. Yeah, that'll make a good mirror image. So now we're just going to put this on the side. We're going to put it back on. We're going to stick it on the fridge. So we're going to put it on the fridge when we're finished with doing my demos for the day. I'm actually thinking I won't enlarge it. I think I'll leave it like that. I'm not sure. So, whatever. See, I'm going to enlarge it a little bit. So we're just going to go here. And so we're just going to put it upside down. So we're going to go on the X. We're going to make it 110, and the vertical will be 104. Going to make it that. So I'm going to just turn that upside down like that. So we're just going to line that up. Just make sure we overlap it so we don't get any ugly borders. So let's just get that happening. Okay. I'm just going to do some more work on these settings. Oh, this stupid user interface really gives me the shits. Stupid Konica Minolta bullshit. That's on the light setting. Contrast. We're going to leave the contrast. Copy density. Going to leave that alone. Maybe the colour balance. We're going to leave that alone. We're going to leave it all just as is, except for the enlargement primarily and the original type. Let's see if we can make this look good. Okay. Well, yeah, now that looks better. Now that can join nicely in the middle, and that's a nice little narrow border we got there. So now we're just going to print the rest of this off and see how it goes. See how it looks overall. Okay, finish and then start. Okay, that's our second piece. So that'll line up just nicely like so. Okay, the corners touch together. Similar, sort of do. Anyway, let's just get the other two mirrors we'll print them off. So we're just going to go here. Just going to find our mirror button on here. Okay. Okay, let's see how these look. Right, these are our mirrors, so they're going to complete the job. So we're just going to put one there and one there. See how our Sydney, Australia souvenir mirror image will look. So let's see how we go. Okay, that looks quite nice. It does overall. Now we're just going to fit this one in. Okay. Trying to see if I've lined these up properly. I think that's good enough. So now we've got here. Yeah, now that looks quite nice. I think now we can call that one quits.